Father's Day, Daddy. We love you.
We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. We love you. Thank you for everything that you've done for us, and hope you have a wonderful Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. We love you, Daddy. And we really appreciate you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Thank you for all the $1 coins and pancakes you're giving me. I love you, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for believing in us and loving us unconditionally. We love you.
Hi Daddy, it's Keela. Happy Father's Day. Thank you for all the lessons, the laughs, love, and all that you do for our family. You are our Mr. Fix-It, and I know that you go out of your way to make sure that we have everything that we need. You're definitely not an average dad. You are an extraordinary dad. We love you and happy Father's Day, and we hope you enjoy it. Bye.
I appreciate you, Father. Happy Father's Day.
I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. I love my daddy because he loves me with all his body and heart. And happy Father's Day.
I like my father because he's kind and forgiving. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Hey, Dad. I just want to come over here and say Happy Father's Day. I hope you really enjoy it.
Happy Father's Day. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Love you.
I love my dad because he protects me.
I love my dad because he takes care of all my needs.
So to all the fathers out there,
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. You're the best dad in the world. Love you.
I love my daddy because he spends time with me. He works in the garden with me and he goes on rides with me. Happy Father's Day! I love my daddy because he makes me feel better when I feel sad. He gets me treats and he spends time with me. Happy Father's Day!
Hey Dad, happy Father's Day. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all that you do. Thank you for all that you provide, including lunch on days when I forget mine at home. Thank you for always being there, always picking up the phone. I just wanted to say I love you and happy Father's Day.
Thank you for everything you do for me, and thank you for teaching me how to be a good person. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you. Hope you have a great Father's Day because you're the best Father's Day and I would never know what football is without you and God.
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you so much.
We love you.
And we hope you have a beautiful day.
Mwah.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
I think you're the best dad because you always want the best in me, and you always bring out the best when I want to do something in life.
I think you're the best dad because you always take care of me when I need it, and you always do the right stuff when I do bad.
I love you, Daddy. I love my dad because he's the greatest and sticks around for me. I love my dad because he's mine. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Bye.